In this tutorial, we will talk about route direction adjusting, starting point setting, and route section selection. The first step is to adjust the route direction. In the task planning interface, we can set which borderline is suitable for the drone to take off. Click to select a borderline. The system will automatically generate routes according to the direction of the selected line. If there are some short routes, we can adjust the direction to replan the route. There is a yellow button on the right side of the task planning interface. Click to adjust the direction of the route. Drag and rotate it clockwise or counterclockwise. The route direction will change accordingly. Setting the route along the longest borderline will reduce the times of line change. This will be time-saving and power-saving, thereby improving the operating efficiency. After selecting the borderline, we can select the takeoff point. The green point is the starting point, and the yellow point is the ending point. We can click Reverse Route when a starting point is far from the current location of the drone. The starting point will be set in a more suitable location, which will be time-saving and power-saving. When we only need to spray on a part of the field, we can use Route Section Selection. There is a bar at the bottom of the task planning interface. Drag to adjust the starting and ending points. Drag the left one to adjust the position of the starting point. Drag the right one to adjust the position of the ending point. Then, the drone can operate according to the selected routes. That's the end of this tutorial.